We're seeing a renaissance and a resurgence of mariachi. This music is so exciting. Mariachi music is so vibrant, and it tells the story that are universal stories. It's about all of us, the love, betrayal, legendary people. I am the director of the mariachi program here at MSU Denver and the director of the Mariachi Correcaminos. It's a student club, a performing group that performs all over the state. I prepare them to be top-tier musicians and artists, to be able to go anywhere and pick up their instrument and play it well. And with a passion and a fervor of representing the folklore and traditions of Mexico with pride.
You know, the nervousness never goes away. I'm always nervous, but I just love to sing. It's my culture, it's our pastime that sometimes gets a little left behind. And then I think it's also nice that we have so many people who are interested in learning our culture and our music.
It's the first time these kids get a chance to probably be on a professional stage. It's so exciting. That's what I want to do with the program. I want to create concert mariachis, professional people. You're going to see some of them that are stellar students, musicians. And when they came to me, they knew they liked it, but they didn't know how to play it and they don't know how to sing it.
I didn't grow up with any of it. I had no idea what it was all about culturally. I heard in fall of 2015 that they were having a mariachi class, and I just kind of wanted to see what it was all about, and I joined, and I was just hooked on the music right away. There's so much joy in the music, there's so much life and passion and romance in the music, it's irresistible.
I just love it. I love playing, and I love that people enjoy mariachi music.